Thanks for clicking. Today I'm going to be opening up Boxycharm. This is a monthly subscription of $21. It's plus tax, so I personally spent $22.47 to get it. You know, what are you gonna do? You just gotta bite that bullet. And it usually includes 4 to 5 full-sized items. Hello, Charmer. And this month's theme is Afterglow. And at the back, it shows you everything that I got included this month, as well as how much it retails for. I got a Tula Bright All Night sheet mask, and it's supposed to include probiotics and fermented birch water. Cleanse skin. My skin is cleansed. Carefully unfold mask and apply to face. Alright, let's see. I can already feel the liquid like splattering on me. Whoa, now this is one freaky looking mask. So slimy. I leave this on for 10 minutes. They don't have a big enough hole for chicks with big mouths or people with big mouths, which I do not appreciate. Not everybody has a little mouth. Okay, it's coming off. Okay, and then you're supposed to rub in. Oh, it's so slimy. It doesn't seem like it was designed for people with larger faces. I mean, I could barely talk. I could barely see. And I was like breathing in whatever this is. Maybe they need to come up with like different sizes for the mask, because that was a little disappointing. But the mask itself runs $24 and I got a set of 4. So it's a decent price. Alright, so it is dry. A few things I would mention. I was breathing in whatever probiotic they had on the mask. It got on my lips. It tasted disgusting. I'm pretty sure it's not edible. So that kind of bothered me. I wouldn't say I'm 100% behind it. I think that's the first and last time I'm going to try that mask personally. It's called No Problem Primer. It's a play on words there, which is really cute. Smooth and pore covering, which is what I need because I got some large pores, so that's going to be good. And this runs $18. So I'm just going to squish some out. Ooh. Oh! Crap, that wasn't been tapping like that. It's really light and gooey. Oh, it smells nice. Nice and light. It's like a pinkish tint to it. It goes on really super smooth. I like it. I'm a fan of this No Problem. Put some foundation on and it does a better job than the primer that I use now, but I have like huge crater-like pores, so it didn't cover everything. For the Problem primer, I'm gonna say that's a win. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and that's what it looks like. And I gotta say, I keep seeing this on all the beauty websites, and I'm always like, nope, I'm not paying that. Nope, not paying that. And now I got it. Yes. Thank you, Boxycharm. And this runs $24. Alright, so that's the wand right there. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And it does everything it should do. It actually got my lower lashes too, which I thought was pretty freaking cool. I actually still prefer the I Do mascara that I used out of my Ipsy bag. That curved one was just like, blew me away. But this works. I gotta say, it does work. Will I say it's better than sex? No. Ooh, this is called Pretty Vulgar. This runs $32. And that's what it looks like. It's like a gold shimmer from what I can tell right now. Let's swatch it. Still light. Yeah, there's a little bit of fallout on this with the swirling. Oh, wow. That's pretty. It's a nice little... You're good. I would say it definitely did its job. That highlight is blinding, so it's definitely there. I got a Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. I'm hoping it doesn't actually plump your lips because as we can see, I already got some plump ass lips. I don't need extra. And it's in the color Honey Ginger. You use it twice a day for 30 days. Is that gonna focus? Your lips get plump up. I love this packaging. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? That looks awesome. And then you can see the color of the lipstick. So if it gets low, you know like when it's empty. Oh. Well, that's an interesting color. I think that might be a little too light for me though. I knew it. I knew that was going to happen. It's way too light for me. And it smells lovely. It smells almost like cocoa-y, actually. I tried my darndest to get this to work on this skin tone. And this is the final result. I hate it. That's pretty much everything that I had in my Boxycharm box this month. Spent $22.47 on my personal box. And I got $123 worth of stuff. So it's good, good, bad. Sadly, not everything I got I wanted, as you can see. Behind me, I have a lot more boxes and bags to open up. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Cheers.